Regulation Commissioner Jerome Block Jr. may be headed to prison. He has now been kicked out of the drug court program in Santa Fe after a third arrest yesterday for a still undisclosed reason. Completing drug court was part of the October plea deal that Block made on felony charges, a deal that calls for 4 years in prison if he doesn't live up to it. News 13's Amanda Goodman has more from Santa Fe. Amanda?
Well, Dick, this afternoon, the Attorney General, whose office brokered the deal with Block, said he will go for the maximum sentence.
He has certainly exposed himself to this, 4.5 years of time in jail, which is a significant.
It's time Jerome Block Jr. could have avoided in the plea deal brokered in October. Block agreed to plead guilty to several felonies that included misuse of his state-issued gas card and pocketing thousands in campaign cash while running for the PRC. In exchange, Block, who admitted to a prescription pill addiction, was allowed to walk free as long as he completed the drug court program.
I think that it is a sad thing that he was not able to take the opportunity that was presented to him to make some changes in his life.
But Block could not follow the program's rules. In October, he failed a drug test which landed him in jail. A month later, it was an undisclosed rule violation that sent him back to jail. Then yesterday, he was booked for another violation, and with it came a dismissal from the program. Attorney General Gary King says his office was not given any details about why Block was kicked out.
It seems like this was a pretty short stay in drug court, and so I have to assume that the violations or the nature of the violations were significant enough that they caused the judge in the drug court program to decide that he wasn't committed to successfully completing the program.
The next step is a sentencing hearing in which the AG's office will ask the judge to sentence Block to the maximum 4.5 years in prison. King is confident Block won't be able to walk away a free man this time.
I think that he loses an argument that he could make at sentencing now because he did not successfully complete the drug court program.
And King says that sentencing hearing will probably take place within a month. In the meantime, Block is still locked up at the Santa Fe County Detention Center. It's not clear if that's where he will remain until sentencing. Back to you.
All right, Amanda, King's come under fire for that plea deal. Again today, he defended it, saying it worked exactly as it was supposed to. It gave Block a chance, but it also imposed tough penalties if he did not live up to the deal.